Ready to turbocharge your project management with Jira Next-Gen? Let's dive in. First things first, log into your Jira account, then locate and click the Create Project button. It's your gateway to Agile awesomeness. In the project creation window, you'll be presented with a few project templates. Focus on the Next-Gen project option. This design is built for flexibility and quick adaptation. Click to select it. Now, it's time to name your new project. Give it a descriptive name, something that reflects your team's mission. Beneath the name, you'll also select the permission settings. This will manage who has access and how. After the setup, you're inside your project. On the left, you'll see the navigation menus to browse through features, such as boards, backlog, and roadmaps. Explore these different project views so you can better learn how they look and operate. Let's focus on the board here. You can create, track, and visualize tasks as they move through different stages of your workflow. This visual approach promotes quick understanding. To add a task, click Create. Issue. A new window opens here. You can provide a title, description, assignees, and due dates to the task. This is where you get your project moving. Now, jump into the Backlog View. This area enables you to prioritize tasks to ensure that the important tasks are managed. Always drag and drop issues to reorder them to match your team's priorities. Lastly, take a look at the Roadmap view. This is where you can map out project timelines and dependencies, allowing teams to see the entire project at a glance. Ready to roll into Agile with a plan. And you're set. With Jira Next-Gen, Agile project management is just a few clicks away. So let's get started.